Good morning, guys, and once again, welcome to Editorial Says. Here we are going to discuss the current affairs GK of date 28th June 2020. The important thing here is that we learn current affairs with tricks to remember it lifelong. As always, before starting, read the question carefully. Follow the steps of the trick with understanding, like proper understanding, so that you're able to understand the question, understand the trick, and by the trick you can get the answer. Third is watch the video with full concentration. Fourth, test yourself after the video. After the video, I have put three questions so that you can test your understanding and test that whether you are able to understand with the tricks or no. First question, GK point 1. Which is the national sports organization? Actually, it's a sports organization, not national. Which is the sports organization that has launched an online tool, Road to Tokyo? Now see, the answer is World Athletics. However, remember World Athletics. See, on road we run, like see, we walk or we run on the road, and running, the sport of running is a part of athletics. Like 100 meters, 200 meters, marathon, all are part of athletics. Therefore, the organization here is World Athletics. Therefore, World Athletics is a sports organization that had launched an online tool, Road to Tokyo. GK point 2 with trick. Who has become the first woman chief secretary of Punjab? Now answer is Winnie Mahajan. Now how you can remember this? See, V in it. Here I have written V in it means that women now are slowly getting the opportunity, and they are deservingly getting the very important post of government in the government administration. Therefore you can just remember this V in it. Now see, here you can see WINI. So by this you can remember Winnie, which is the first name. And the chief secretary is one of the very good posts. It's very good post in the Punjab government, if any of the state government. And that is like you can relate it like a Maharaj was also like post type, a king type, king, like if you see in the olden times in India. Therefore, you can remember the name Winnie Mahajan. The first woman chief secretary of Punjab here is Winnie Mahajan. GK point 3 with trick. Which football club won the Premier League title? Like Premier League of this year, 2019 to 20. Therefore, the answer is Liverpool. Like you're not trick is there, but actually this is very well known among the sports fans. Like you see, Liverpool hadn't won any title for 30 years. They didn't win the title for 30 years. In the first time after 30 years that they won the title. So Liverpool FC is the football club which won this year's 2019-20 Premier League title. GK point 4 plus trick. Which is the only Indian city to be included in the top 30 startup ecosystem list released by Startup Geonomy. Now see, what trick we are going to use is, see, in our country, some of you may know that if anyone wants to do a startup, they want to be an entrepreneur, then the best place in India is Bangalore. Bangalore is best for startups, and Bangalore is best, like it's a IT hub. Also Hyderabad is also IT hub, but Bangalore was the first IT hub in India. Therefore the answer is Bangalore. GK point 5 plus trick. Which country announced to take the first tourist on a spacewalk in 2023? Now here the trick which was there. Suppose you have studied space or astronomy. Suppose you had studied static GK on space, then there was a Cold War between USA and USSR, and the Cold War could also be seen in space. USSR had sent the first man in space. His name was Yuri Gagarin. US Just note here, USA had sent the first man in space, not first man on moon. The first man on moon was sent by USA, and the first man in space was sent by USSR. Sorry, USSR. Therefore, here see, here the USSR has sent the first man in space, and in the question what is asked, the first tourist to take a spacewalk. Therefore, you can correlate with it, and the answer is Russia. You know, Russia is one of the countries which are disintegrated from USSR. Therefore, answer is Russia. GK point 6 plus trick. Who has launched the mobile app Navi Lending? Now see here, the trick can be, lending can be referred like, you can relate to book lending, like you can lend a book to your friend, and therefore after seeing the see books, here the word books comes. Therefore, Flipkart was the one of the first book selling company. You know, when Flipkart entered, they only used to sell books. Then they started selling mobile phones and many such things. Therefore, see, if Flipkart is the first book selling company, then who launched the mobile app is the co-founder of Flipkart, which most of you may be knowing is Sachin Bansal. Therefore, Sachin Bansal launched the mobile app Navi Lending. When was the micro, small, and medium sized enterprises day celebrated? Now, see, your answer is 27 June. But now, how we will remember this? Now, the main thing here is to remember the date. Generally, options will also come in the exam. Now, see, here it is given micro, small, and medium. We know that numbers are generally from 1 to 9. Your numbers are always from 1 to 9. Suppose you can consider 1 and 2 as micro numbers, and 7 as a medium number, because 7, 8, 9 are the last three big numbers between 1 to 9. Therefore, here you can remember answer is 27. Here this may not be a proper trick, but this I think you would remember. Also, you can remember 2 plus 7 is equal to 9. Okay, next. GK point 8 plus trick. Which company has partnered with Switzerland's Hake to launch antiviral fabric range? Now see, your main point here is antiviral. Now see, we have to name the antiviral fabric range. Now see, you know, or you as you know, in any antivirus in a computer helps to secure the computer from virus. Means that protects the computer, it secures the computer from virus. Now if you see the two words secure and virus, so you can get the name of the fabric range, that is Vero Secure. Answer is Vero Secure. GK point 9 plus trick. Battery swap facility for the commercial vehicles launched in which city? Now see, this is very easy, like you can remember battery. If you put battery in any torch or something, to it helps to give you light. And from where we get natural light on earth, we get from moon. Moon is also called as Chand. Now from Chand you can remember always one very famous city or as union territory, that is Chandigarh. Therefore, battery swap facility for commercial vehicles is launched in Chandigarh. Last point, safety eyewear developed by which organization? Here we have to see that a safety eyewear was developed by which organization, the name of the organization. Now see here, safety eyewear is a scientific instrument because it protects our eyes. Eye is a main or central, like main can be, the synonym of main can be central, a very important part of our body. Therefore, eye is the central part of our body. The organization is central, which we got from here, Scientific Instruments Organization, CSIO. Therefore, CSIO developed this safety eyewear, and it is like it can protect our eyes and anything like that. Okay, now let's move on to the next questions. Now see, here are some questions. Sorry, here are some questions which you can test your learning. Like see, battery swap facility for the commercial vehicles launched in which city? As I told you, battery gives us light if you put in any torch. Natural light we get from moon is also called as chand. Therefore the answer is Chandigarh. Who has launched the mobile app Navi Lending? Lending can be like lending of books. Now which was the company which started selling books online is Flipkart. Who is the co-founder of Flipkart is Sachin Bansal. Which is a national sports organization has launched an online tour Road to Tokyo. Now here on Road we run. Running is a part of athletics. Therefore the answer is World Athletics. Therefore that's all for today. Thank you for watching Editorial Says, where we believe in empowering readers. Please do like sorry Please do like this video and also share this video with your friends and family members. Don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon for such more informative notification. Thank you. Jai Hind.